Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card Review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card may appeal to frequent travelers looking for a credit card with no annual fee and a straightforward reward scheme. Overall, the card is a mediocre travel rewards card that lacks many of the appealing advantages found on other popular travel credit cards, but it is a compelling alternative for members of Bank of America's preferred rewards program who would benefit from the bank's improved rewards program. The Bank of America Travel Rewards Credit Card comes with a limitless number of points that can be earned on every purchase, as well as a significant introductory bonus points offer and a reasonable 0% APR on new purchases. This card has no annual charge and no foreign transaction fee, making it a cost-effective solution for the occasional or frequent overseas traveler. Let's review the pros and cons of this card. For pros, the good news is there is no annual fee or international transaction fee with the Bank of America Travel Credit Card. According to Wallet Hub data, this saves you $22 per year and 1.44% every transaction when compared to the average credit card. It also makes the Travel Rewards card a good alternative for low spenders to the top travel credit cards on the market, most of which have high annual fees. If you apply online, the Bank of America Travel Rewards card will reward you with 25,000 points for spending at least $1,000 within 90 days of account opening. About 31,950 points are available on the typical card. On all purchases, the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card gives you 1.5 points each $1 spent. When redeemed for travel, Bank of America Travel Rewards points are worth a dime each, so your earning rate will be at least 1.5%. That's a fantastic deal. Just keep in mind that if you redeem your points for cash, they'll only be worth around half as much. Users of Bank of America Trips credit cards had to book travel through BOFA's online travel portal in the past to obtain the best value for their points. But that is no longer the case. The Bank of America Travel Rewards card now has a redemption policy that allows you to use your points to pay for any travel-related purchase you make after charging it to your card. If you have a consumer, non-business, checking, savings, or individual retirement account with Bank of America or Merrill, points earned with the Bank of America Travel Card are worth more if your bank account has at least $20,000 in it. As a result, you'll be able to join Bank of America Preferred Rewards, which will increase your bonus to 25% or more. For the first 15 billing cycles, the Bank of America Travel Rewards card charges no interest on new transactions. For reference, the average term for a 0% APR credit card right now is 12 months. After the intro APR period, a variable APR of 14.24% to 24.24% will apply. Moving on to the cons, there are no bonus categories that can be used to increase reward earnings. Depending on creditworthiness, the annual percentage rate, APR, can be quite high. To be approved for the Bank of America Travel Rewards card, you must have excellent credit. This not only emphasizes the importance of checking your credit score before applying, but it also implies that if you qualify, you'll have a number of really appealing options. A no annual fee card, such as the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card, has the downside of not offering the same incentives as other starting travel cards. For example, unlike the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card, You won't get a credit for your application fee or a 25% redemption bonus like you would with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Let's move forward and look at the rewards. On all purchases, the Bank of America Travel Rewards Card receives 1.5 points per dollar. Members of Bank of America Preferred Rewards receive a bonus of 25% to 75% on all points earned, depending on their program qualification level. The program's entry level needs a balance of $20,000 or more in qualifying Bank of America or Merrill accounts, with the highest tier needing a balance of $100,000 or more in eligible Bank of America or Merrill accounts. After making at least $1,000 in transactions in the first 90 days after account opening, eligible new cards can earn 25,000 online bonus points with the Bank of America Travel Rewards Card. Let's look at how you can redeem rewards on your Bank of America Travel Rewards. Points earned with the Bank of America Travel Rewards Card can be used to pay for flights, hotels, holiday packages, cruises, rental vehicles, and baggage fees with statement credits. When redeemed in this manner, each point is worth 1 penny. Gift cards and cash back are two other options for redeeming points, although both options have lesser rates. Each point is worth 0.6 cents when traded for cash. 2,500 points equals $15. My thoughts on the card. Overall, I would rate this card. Rewards 8 out of 10. Benefits 3 out of 10. Customer experience 10 out of 10. Low interest 8 out of 10. Low fees 9 out of 10. The Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card is probably appropriate for infrequent travelers who don't need luxury travel benefits. This rewards card reduces difficulties over figuring out the best methods to maximize rewards with its easy reward scheme of 1.5 points per dollar on all purchases. This card doesn't come with many attractive extra features, so it's best for people who want to use their rewards solely for travel. The Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card may be a smart choice for you if you want to keep things simple when it comes to earning and redeeming points. If you want to use points to erase eligible travel and dining purchases, the card is a good no annual fee option, and it's especially enticing to existing Bank of America clients with significant account balances. While frequent flyers may prefer a card with transferable points to maximize redemptions, beginners may prefer a card that requires less work to redeem their points. However, regular travelers who appreciate Bank of America's straightforward earning approach might explore the Premium Rewards card, which offers a higher earning rate, more flexibility, and additional benefits. This wraps up my review of the Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.